In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Google Photos to your device. First, open the Google Photos app. This app is essential for accessing your stored videos and photos. Once the app is open, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice a navigation bar with options like Photos, Albums, and Sharing. This layout helps you easily find what you need. You may need to swipe through your photos and videos to locate the one you want to download. It is important to ensure that you are logged into the correct Google account, as this will allow you to see all your stored media without complications. Next, find and open the video you want to download. As you scroll through your library, look for the video thumbnail. You may recognize it by the title or the image displayed. Tapping on the video will take you to a playback screen. Here, you can watch the video before downloading it. This step is crucial because it ensures that you download the correct content. It saves you the hassle of having to search for it again later. Once you confirm that this is the right video, you are ready to proceed. Now tap More, which is represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. This icon signifies additional options related to the video. When you tap it, a menu will appear with various actions you can take. Among these options, you will find Download. This step is significant because it provides you with the ability to save the video directly to your device. It streamlines the process and makes accessing your videos more straightforward in the future. Next, tap Download. This action initiates the downloading process. After you tap Download, you will see a brief notification indicating that the download is in progress. Depending on your internet speed and the video size, this may take a few moments. This is an essential step because it ensures that the video is securely saved to your device's storage. You will appreciate having the video available offline for easy viewing at any time. Finally, wait for the download to finish. The video will be saved to your iPhone's Photos app. Once the download is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. You can then navigate to your Photos app to find the downloaded video. It will be located in the Videos album or in your main library. This makes it very convenient to access your media anytime without needing an internet connection. Remember, if the video is already saved on your iPhone, the download option won't appear. Google Photos only shows this option for videos that are stored in your Google Photos library but not yet saved to your device. This little detail is important because it helps you avoid confusion while trying to download content that is already available to you. Now you know how to download videos from Google Photos to your iPhone. Enjoy your videos anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.